Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to define an issue management template. In previous video, I already guys how to define the risk management template for checking the potential risk in the project. When any risk happen in the project, it will become the issue. So we have to check the issue closely to reduce the impact or mitigate the impact into the project aspect. In this video today, I will guide you how to define and manage the issue in the project. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, I will define the title for this template. I will name it the issue management template. Yeah. Project name, website development project, and I will have the updated. I will use a formula in Excel now, and the below I will define some column name. The first one, it should be the ID. The ID will be using to identify the number of issue in the project. The next one, I will define a column name is description. In the description column, I will try to add some the brief information for the issue happen in the project. The next one will be the potential impact. We need to list down the potential impact of the issue into some the aspects of the project. And the next one will be priority. The priority of the issue, it will be have some the status like critical, high, medium, and low. I will define it later on in other worksheets in Excel. For the issue, we have to specify the open date. So I will have the date open. Of course, we also need another column name is date close. We need to assign the owner for any issue in the project. So I will have issue owner. In some organization, they also want to assign the issue into some department. That means they will also need to have another column named it department. This department column, I think it should be an optional. And we need to check the status for the issue. By default, when the issue happens, the status will be open. After it is resolved, so we can change it to close. The last column, the same in the risk management, it should be the note column. The note column will allow the user to enter some more information for better understand the issue in the project. Okay, so here I will try to do some formatting to make this template look better. I will select the above section and then I will change the background color to white and then I will change the color, make it bold. And for the ID and description, I will try to add some the border into the table and make the column name is bold and change the color, also the background. And for now, I will try to define some the data. Yeah, I will change this one is issue management. I will create a new worksheet here. I name this one is data. In the data, I will manage the priority. I will define it is critical, high, medium, low. Yeah. And the second one, I will define it is the status. I will have the open and close. Because for the issue, I just need to manage it with only two status. The first one is open. The open means it's still not resolved. And the second one is only the status is closed. Closed means the issue has been resolved. Okay. And I will back to the issue management worksheet. I will also want to save the template first. Go to the desktop. I will have the issue management template. Set it up. And for the priority, I will select the cell D6 and then I will go to the tab data. In the data, I will go to the data tool, data validation. Select the first option is data validation. Pop-up will be appear, and in the validation criteria, I will select the list in the allow, and then I will select the source. Click on the roll up button, and I will go to the data. In the data, I will select the critical, high, medium, and low. Click on OK to do the confirmation. So now you can see the cell D6 has been changed from a free text into a drop-down list. Click on the drop-down list icon. You can see we have the data for priority. I want to copy the same format for below cell in the D column. I just select the D6 and then I will just drag and drop the data here to make a copy. Yeah. And so now you see the below cell will change it to the drop-down list. I can do the same thing for the status. Data validation in the list, data sort, go to data and select open and close. And copy the data in the cell E6 for all of the cell below. Okay, save it up bigger. Okay. And then you see that we have just already defined the templates for issue management in the project. So now I will try to define some right here, add some the example for demonstration. For example, for now I'm working on the website development project. So when we work on the website, we have some the issue. Yeah, I mean some common issue will happen in the project. For example, I have working with the website. We want to focus on the mobile first. Yeah, mobile first and then the PC second. That means the layout of the website will be responsive on any devices. Okay. And for example, the website is working fine when you open the website via PC, but there are some the form or some page it is not working fine on the mobile phone, so the layout will be broken. Yeah. For example, the first issue I will define the ID is 1 and I will have the login form broken on mobile. So this is an issue has been happened on the mobile. So potential impact for this issue will be we have some people using mobile cannot log in to the system. So I will have some user unable to log in to the system. And the priority, I will set this one is high. The date open. You can enter the date here. For example, I will enter the May 3 and 21. For the date close, when any issue is closed, so we will change the close date. We will add the close date here. The issue owner, I will add my name, Chiến Vũ. For the department, I will have the delivery team status. By default, the status will be open. We can add note here. Should pick it as soon as possible. Okay. I can define the second issue. I will define the second issue. I will have the website loading very slowly on mobile. So when the website is loading very slowly on mobile, I will have some visitor may take time for viewing the content, and the priority it should be very critical. Our name for the department it will be the IT team or IT department. For the status it will be open. The node have to fix it right away because the status is very critical. And the next example I will ask is take time to run the reports on product page. So the potential impact is some user cannot run the report file. It is very high. So here, Chiến Vũ, delivery team, and open status. Okay, for example, I have 3 issues in my project. When you take a look into this format, you see the format for now still not okay because there are some the overlap like in the form here. So I will try to do some another format. Select all of the data on this file and then go to the home, go to the alignment, and I will click on grab text. Yeah. The next one, I will make all of the text in the cell will be middle alignment. So for now, let's see the first one. I will try to merge the content. Okay, save it up. And you see, after we do some the format, the template here, it look better. And all of the data on this template also look very clear and clean. For example, I have the issue is website loading very slowly on mobile because this one is very critical. So we have to fix it right away. For example, the issue has been fixed after around 1 hour. So I will change the date close here. The same for the date open. And the status, I will change it to close. For other one, I will keep it in open because for now it's still not fitted. Okay, the last action, I want to do some the formatting here for priority and status column. For the critical, I will change the format to make the background in red. For the high, it will be yellow. I will select the critical column here and then go to the home. In the conditional formatting option here, I will select the manage rule. In the manage rule, I will click on the new rule. In the pop-up, I will select the second option. In the select a rule type, format only cells that contain. Go to the cell value. I will change the option equal to the name. It should be critical. For the critical, I will select the format. Go to the fill tab. I will change it to the red color. Okay. I will add another rule for the high, the format. So for the high, I will also select the red color, but it should be something like a red more. Okay, for example, this one. I will have a medium medium it will be yellow. And the last one in the low it will be in green. Okay, I have to copy it for other column. And medium and low here. Be the same for above. It is high. Yeah. For the status, it will be open and close. For the open, I will mark the background color in green, and for close, it will be in gray. Let's do it. Select the cell E6 and then go to the conditional formatting, manage rule, add new rule, format only cells that contain cell value equal to, it will be open, format it in green, new rule is close. For close, I will mark it in gray. Yeah, and then I will copy it all for below close. Okay, I will copy it for other one below. It will be a medium and close. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's all for today. After you finish this video, you know how to define the issue management templates for your project. In this template, you define some the ID, description, potential impact, priority, date open, date close, issue owner, department, status, and note. In this template, we have the department column is an optional. The note column will be also optional. Yeah. Okay. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.